These amazing plant growth time-lapse videos are going viral all over the internet and getting millions of views. And the best part is, you can create videos like these very easily using just one master prompt. So first, go to ChatGPT and paste this master prompt. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will give you different growth categories. Choose any one. After that, ChatGPT will give you 10 unique video ideas for that category. I'm selecting idea number 2. Now select the video duration. I'm using 10 seconds for this tutorial. If you want to create a video longer than 10 seconds, the process is a little different. So check out this video on screen. I've explained how to create longer videos in that tutorial. Now choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. I'm using 9:16 for a short. After that, ChatGPT will give you one scene with an image prompt and a video prompt. Simply copy the image prompt and go to Flow AI. Paste the image prompt here and select these settings. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model and hit enter. After a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Come back to Flow AI and click the 3 dots on the image you generated. Select Add to Prompt and paste the video prompt. Now, select these settings for video generation. Choose OmniFlash as the model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Then hit enter. After a few moments, your video will be ready. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any video ideas, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.